Hello, viewers! Hello, my followers! Good afternoon to each and everyone. Here are 7 health benefits of coconut water. 1. Delicious source of hydration. 2. Support heart health. 3. Beneficial after prolonged exercise. 4. Prevent kidney stone. 5. Lower blood sugar for people living with diabetes. 6. Have antioxidant properties. 7. Good source of several nutrients. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and farewell!